Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Fox Focus. This is Case or No Case, where we test just how well you know the law. And that's our friend, Jeff Pitman from PKSD Law Firm. How's it going?
Things are going well. So we've got some long sleeve T-shirts, case or no case shirts. So people go to the website or Facebook page and request them. So you ready for your case or no case?
Yes, I believe I am. Let's go.
Okay. All right. So we got a lot of heavy snow overnight. And so the plows were piling it up along the sides of the roads. And you're driving down a road that has a median. All right. And a lot of that snow is piled up on the median. You want to make a left turn. And so you're going to have traffic coming from your right. So you enter that median, but you really can't see. Your view is totally obstructed from that snow. You pull out and you make your left turn, and a car comes in and smashes you as a result of you making that left turn. Case or no case against that driver?
Oh, I'm not sure, but I'm going to guess that that is a case.
No, it's probably not a case because you have to look out. So even though it's obstructed, you've just got to ease your way out before you can make it safely. So probably not a case.
All right. Thank you for that information. And of course, PKSD has a proven record of success. You should give them a call. Dial the 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.